Ready to fall in love with your next home? Wait until you see this. Welcome to 533 Walnut Avenue, Unit 18, Long Beach. This newly remodeled 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom condo is the perfect blend of modern living and coastal charm. Step into a spacious, open floor plan, ideal for entertaining guests or simply relaxing. Check out the modern kitchen with sleek countertops, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of storage. Head to the bedrooms where comfort is key. The master suite, it's got an ensuite bathroom that's straight out of a magazine. And those stylish bathrooms? They're updated with contemporary finishes you'll love. Location, location, location. You're just a short stroll from the sandy shores of Long Beach, and minutes from vibrant downtown, filled with dining, shopping, and entertainment. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. For more info or to schedule a viewing, contact Realtor Joe Frank Cerros at 949-331-3409, listed with JCRMG Inc. Your dream home in Long Beach is waiting. Read full disclaimer at www.jocerros.com. Doing business in California only. JCRMG Inc. is licensed by the Department of Real Estate DRE 02173635. Joe Frank Cerros, Realtor DRE 01356767.